Well, I made it. I'm here at the last two shelters. For the rest of you, I think it's common knowledge by now among you and all the medical professionals and politicians in the world that you are in fact doomed, and anyone who's not bunkered down will not be able to survive this terrible pandemic. So here I am. I'm in number 487. There are only 500, as you all know. Well, you should know. Well, if you're not in the know, you wouldn't know. So anyway, I'll be out of here in about 18 months. They predict, the real scientists, not your scientists on television, but the real scientists have assured us that the sprays that will annihilate all the bacteria and viruses on Earth will have cleared and made the world ready for us when we emerge. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but well, anyway, goodbye. Enjoy the last few days of your life.
They're on every surface, they float through the air, and though they surround you, you can't see them there. They stick to your eyeball, they land in your hair, and when you inhale them, you'd better beware. There, wash your hands. Happy birthday times. That's what you gotta do. Make you sneeze. Cover up if you please. In your elbow or your stop spreading knees. Make you sweat. The fever that you get makes your body all wet. Don't keep them as bad. Stay home before you get infected. Or if you're affected, go get inspected.
2020, goodness gracious, do my eyes deceive me? We see our planets burning up and note the poles receding. Trying to reconnect humanity without the screening, I wasn't really in the mood for this corona season. At the end of the Great War, they had the Spanish flu. No doubt that massacring animals work that virus too. I think it's time we all decide what we should like to do. Must we enslave by force and kill the weak to get our food? Money isn't well in this particular caper. World economies are falling like a New York scraper. Better tighten up my belt until the market's safer. But now the only thing I want's some fucking toilet paper.
There, wash your hands. Happy birthday times. That's what you gotta do. Make you sneeze off if you please. In your elbow or your stop spreading knees. Make you sweat. The fever that you get your body all wet. Don't keep them as bad. Stay home before you get infected. Or if you're affected, go get inspected.
Before I say the pretty words to put your mind at ease, I must remind you how we spawned this murderous disease. Somebody tortured an innocent bat to death, now don't you see? And this most evil supremacist is in China walking free. Let's hope decisions will be made that gain us back control, 'cause civilization has just begun and I want to watch the show. Don't got no robot or hoverboard, the future's rather slow, but I won't see no technology if I'm 6 feet below.
They're on every surface, they float through the air, and though they surround you, you can't see they're there. They stick to your eyeball, they land in your hair, and when you inhale them, you'd better beware. You'd better beware. You'd better beware.
Right now the birdies all are singing, where'd the humans go? You've got to isolate to keep infection numbers low. So like a bear you hibernate to help us stem the flow. And after winter, spring will come and cleaner winds will blow.
There, wash your hands. Happy birthday. That's what you gotta do. Make you sneeze off if you please. In your elbow or your stop spreading knees. Make you sweat. The fever that you get your body all wet. Don't keep them as bad. Stay home before you get infected. Or if you're affected, go get inspected.